Hi guys, I'm Reginald Samuel, algebra teacher at Carter High School, and this is Nadia Ayala from W.T. White High School. Welcome to Algebra Dudes. Oh, now we would love to hear from you from all Algebra 1 students. They really killed me with the script. Okay, all Algebra 1 students as we solve tax type questions. Remember that algebra is over 50% of the 9th and 10th grade tax exam. It's even 40% of the exit tax exam. So remember that every problem we do here on the Dudes is a tax type problem. Remember, hang on to your work for the tax test coming up in April.
Okay, before we get started, let's go over a few rules. Please, when you use your telephone to give us a call, turn the TV volume down to avoid the noise. It really hurts our ears if you don't do that.
Remember also that cell phones do not work well with our audio system, so be sure to use regular phones, okay? Please, no cell phones. I thank you, Nadia thanks you, and our ears definitely thank you.
Also, a lucky caller will win this great gift today. Wow.
Wow.
A solitaire bag board and some glitter magic markers. So good luck, callers. So let's take a look at that real quick.
There we go. Glitter markers here, and what else do we have?
And this. Okay. At the end of each month, we will have our monthly drawing for a lucky teacher also. Then at the end of the school year, we will have a super prize for the entire super class and teacher that has the most calls. So keep calling us.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, guys, you all can go ahead and start calling in. I just want to say that we all should be on solving inequalities. And the problems that I have for today are some from the ACP, because we are not going to forget that old information. We're going to keep on to that. And also, we're going to deal with linear inequalities today. But we're only dealing with the ones on the number line.
Okay. Those are easy.
Okay, here we go. We have Malcolm from some
I'm
sock.
so excited. Okay, hi, Malcolm. I'm messing up your name already. Hello?
Malcolm from SOC.
I
think he.
Hello.
Hi, Malcolm.
Hello.
Hello.
How you doing, Malcolm?
Fine.
Sounds good, man. I think I'm a little loud. Or are you too real close to your phone, or your television, or is it up loud or something? Because I'm getting that feedback noise.
Yeah.
Okay. You know how you call into the radio station, they tell you turn down your radio, turn down your television. All right. You ready to work a problem?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to work. Here we go. I actually made these smaller so you can have a copy of everything.
You're so sweet.
Hey! Okay, here we go. You all have been dealing with inequalities, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so you sound like you're mad at me, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Give me a problem. Here we go. Let's try this one. Let's try a simple one. Let's try a simple.
Ready, Malcolm?
Here we go, Malcolm. I know this is like the easiest problem you're ever going to see, but I definitely want to start off with problems that people can kind of build up to the harder ones. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go to work. What's the first thing I do to solve? It says solve and graph the inequality.
Oh.
You're supposed to read.
Yeah, solve for each.
Yes, solve for X. So
Okay.
what do you do first?
Divide 20 by 4.
Yay. Good
Okay.
job.
Here we go. We're going to divide both sides by 4. Okay, do I do any switching of signs or anything like that?
Cancel out 4.
I just cancel out the 4. I don't do any switching of signs? You said yes or no?
Does he have to flip the inequality?
Do I need to flip this inequality symbol?
No.
No.
Okay, good.
Why not?
Because ain't nothing negative.
Okay, because nothing's negative. Excellent job. So I have x is what? Greater than
5.
5. Okay, here we go. Let's just start. Let's just say this is the middle. I'm going to say that that's the middle. We'll put a 0 here. I'll put a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's put a -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. Okay, go to work. What do I have? An open or a closed circle?
Open.
Open circle, where do I put it? On the -5, the 5, where?
5.
On the 5. Put an open circle, and then where am I shading?
To the right.
To the right. Excellent job. Excellent job, Doctor. Hold on, let me see if I got that happy face thing down since the break. What you think? What you think? Hold on, man. Let me put you some eyebrows so you can actually look like you're seeing something. Malcolm, I appreciate you calling South Oak Cliff. You all keep on calling in.
Good, Malcolm.
Bye.
All right.
Bye. Okay, I'm not sure.
Okay.
Kiovana, is that what I heard?
Kiovana.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine. Yourself?
Good. Thank you for asking.
Very well. I think that's the first time that we've
I
done this. That's how we're
know.
doing.
Yeah.
This is I'm so polite.
You are very polite. Okay, you're ready to work a problem, right?
Huh?
Are you ready to work a problem?
Oh, of course.
Oh, of course. Of course she is. Of course she is.
She's excited.
Okay.
Let's give her a hard one.
You
then.
want a hard one?
No.
It's not going to be that hard. Okay, I'm going to give you. It's not going to be that hard.
I've been
It's
in
not going to be
school
that
all
hard.
day.
Now, guys, I have some hard ones, but this one is just, I just want you to see what happens when we have something like this, okay?
Okay.
Now.
Let me move up closer because I'm a little blind.
You're a little blind, yeah. Okay, well, move up close.
Okay, can you write down the problem for me and give it to me? All right. It says -x is less than or equal to 12.
Okay,
So
so now,
first of all, we want to get x by itself.
okay, we want to get x by itself.
Good.
So what does that mean?
Huh?
What does that mean we need to do? We need to get rid of what?
The x.
The what? No.
I mean the
We
negative.
need to get rid of this negative. So how are we going to get rid of that negative?
It's just like a -1x.
Okay, because there's a coefficient here of -1. Excellent job. So how do I get rid of this multiplied -1?
Divide by 1.
Divide by
-1. I'm sorry.
-1. Now I'm dividing by a negative. What does that mean I need to do?
Huh?
If I'm dividing by a negative, what does that mean I need to do?
Flip the sign.
Excellent
Good.
job. So here we go. -x. I'm going to flip the sign and divide by -1. 12 divided by -1. Okay, and what do I get? I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to get these two cancel out, leaving me what? X is what?
X is greater than or equal to -12.
-12. Okay, talk to me about actually graphing this. What do I need to do?
Put the 0
I'm going to try to put
in the middle.
0 in the middle, and let's count by 2s to make this a little easier.
Oh, and left.
Okay,
0 in the middle and left because it's negative.
go to the left. -2, -4, -6, -8, -10, -12. So what type of circle am I going to put right here?
Close.
Close, of course, close.
I like how
right?
she says it.
Now why?
Oh, thank you.
Because this is a what? This is equal to. That's why we put that closed circle. All right. And which way am I shading?
Right?
To the right.
Good.
All right. Excellent job. Excellent job.
Yay, I'm so smart.
You are very smart, and I love that confidence. Hold on. Let me see if I can.
Thank you.
There you go.
Cute.
See, it's nice and simple. I tried to make a simple one.
Have a nice day.
All right. You do the
too.
exact same there.
Bye.
Bye.
She's so sweet.
She is sweet. She's sweet. And she has, I love that
wow.
energy.
One of mine's colored. I'm so excited.
Yay. I can't
Hi,
believe
JC.
Hi, Miss Ella.
it. JC.
Today.
We're fine.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I broke the clapper.
No, I need the class.
She broke the clapper. You all see it right here live on television. She broke the clapper. Okay.
That's all right.
Here we go. You ready to work the problem? You are one of Miss Yala's students, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let me give you this one.
Uh-oh.
Here we go.
He'll be fine.
Yeah, you'll be fine. Yeah.
Wow. Okay, then can I read?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay,
Read it.
JC, it says solve the inequality and graph its solution on the number line. So keep in mind, don't let that symbol freak you out. Just do the same thing you would if it was an equal sign.
Okay, we need to get the x on one side.
Okay, so
Awesome.
go ahead. What do I have to do?
Subtract 2x.
Subtract 2x. Okay, if I do it on this side, I must what?
You do it on the other side right there.
Good job. Okay, these two.
Cancel.
Okay,
So now it's 2x minus 5 is greater than plus 25.
good job.
And then you want the x by itself, so you add 5.
Good job, man.
Got it. Okay. 2x equals 30. Or I mean, it's greater than 30.
2x is greater than 30. Okay.
Divide by 2.
Divide 2. Divide 2.
X equals 15.
X
is
Oh, it's greater than 15.
Okay.
okay, here we go. Excellent job. Now, I'm going to use this as the middle, and I'm going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. I'm going to say this is -5, -10, and -15. Okay, so what do I have to do to graph?
Okay, put a circle above the 15.
Okay, put a circle.
Open circle.
Okay, open circle on this 15. Okay.
And then shade to the left, right.
Shade to the
no,
left.
to the right, to the right.
To the right. Yeah,
you
I was like to the
remember.
left, right.
Yay.
Excellent job, man. Excellent job. Let me
Thank you,
see.
thank you. All right, there we go.
Good. Happy face for JC.
There you go. Happy face to JC. Good job, man.
Who's next?
Let me T White keep calling in.
We're
Oh
kidding.
my God. Why don't you hold this one and do this one?
Oh, okay. I'll do it like that.
She broke it all the way out. Okay. Good afternoon. Who are we speaking with?
AJ.
This is AJ. And you're
AJ.
calling from where?
Stop.
South Oak Cliff. Okay.
Yeah.
South Oak Cliff. Very good. Here we go. Are you ready for a problem like the one we just gave JC?
Nope.
No. Well, do something a little different. Okay. I'm going to give you one. You just call and say hey to us, huh?
He just wants to come out on TV, huh?
Okay, here we go. Let me give you something like this. What about this one?
Yeah, that's a good one. You'll be fine, AJ.
Here we go. Miss Ayala is going to read the problem.
Okay. AJ, it says translate each phrase into a mathematical terms and graph the inequality. Okay, so here we go. It says the age of a house is at least 75 years. At least 75. So you need to stop and think if it's going to be greater than or less than or greater than or equal to or less than or equal to.
What's that?
Okay, so you think of a variable, whichever letter that you like. You want to pick A for AJ?
Yes.
Okay, let's pick A for AJ.
Okay, so we have
Or for
A.
age.
A.
Okay. Now it says, now listen to it now. It says the age of the house is at least 75 years. Okay. So if it's at least 75 years, it can be 75 or what?
Is less than equal to 75?
A will be less than or equal to 75?
Yeah.
Now listen to it now. It says it's at least 75. So if it's at least 75 years, then that means it can be 75 or what? Greater than that, right? So that means that we need to put a what? Greater than or
Equal to.
equal to. Okay? So now we have greater than or equal to 75. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now from there we're going to graph this. And how are we going to graph it?
So,
We're going to put a 0 in the middle. Let's just say that's the middle. And let's count by 25s. That's going to be 25, 50, 75, 100. And that's going to be -25, -50, -75, -100. Okay. And so I need to know what type of circle. Where am I putting it?
close circle over positive 75.
Closed circle over 75. And then where am I shading?
To the right.
To the right. Excellent job, man. Excellent job. All righty. And let's see if we can give you a nice happy face. Hold on, man. We're not even finished.
What the heck is that?
We're not even finished. We're not even finished.
He looks a little psycho.
He look like.
Oh, it's like.
That's not nice.
He looks a little crazy.
Hold on. Let me try again. All right, here we go.
Okay.
There you go, man. There you go. See,
Now it has no eyeballs.
Oh my God, that's Morning Rumble.
Good, AJ. You did awesome.
AJ. Thank you for calling, man.
Thanks, AJ.
All right, AJ called in and did a real
We
good job.
have Christian from Hillcrest. Hi, Christian.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you, Christian?
Good.
Sounds well. Now, I am looking for someone to work a problem like the one I gave JC. You ready for one?
Yes.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, there we go. It's one like the one I gave JC.
Oh,
Okay.
Christian, have you called him before?
Yes.
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 You first.
No, Christian, real fast, man. Before we get to this problem, has Hillcrest ever called in before, or is this you all's first time calling in?
They called before.
Okay.
You all have called before. Okay.
I called before from Hillcrest.
You've called from Hillcrest before.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds like a winner. Let's
Okay,
go to
we
work.
knew that. We just had a little bird who wanted to know.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. It says solve the inequality and graph its solution on the number line. So just like JC worked it out, you have x's on both sides. So what do you think you need to do first?
Put negative 5x
Okay.
Okay.
Minus
Got it.
5x. Minus 5x.
to both sides.
Okay.
And then you subtract 3x
Okay. 3x
from
Minus
negative 5x,
is going to give you what?
which is negative 2x.
Negative
Good.
2x. Okay. Minus 12 is less than or equal to
20.
20. Okay. And then
And
what?
then you add 12.
Okay. And
to
then
both sides.
add 12. Add 12. Good job, man. Good job. Okay. These two cancel out, leaving with negative 2x is less than or equal to what?
6. No, huh? Oh, yeah, 32.
Okay. 32. Now what do I do?
Then you divide
Divide
negative 2 for both sides.
Okay, you just said I divide by negative. Bing, bing, bing. A light should have went off. What does that mean? That now I need to do what?
Flip the symbol.
I need to flip the symbol.
Yay,
Excellent
good.
job. Excellent job. So I'm going to divide by negative 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to say 32 divided by negative 2. Now I am going to flip this symbol. Okay, so these two cancel out, leaving me with x is greater than or equal to what?
Negative 16.
Negative 16. Okay, let's play like this is the middle right here. We're going to count by 4s. That's 4, that's 8, that's 12, and that's 16 over there. That's negative 4, negative 8, negative 12, and negative 16. Okay, so now where am I going to put my circle in? What type of circle am I putting?
Negative 16 on on the negative 16.
Okay, what type of circle?
Open or closed?
Open.
I'm going to put an open one. Now, pay attention to this. It has an equal to with it, okay? Whenever it has an equal to, that means that you're going to include that number. So if we include that number, then we also need to do what? See, this circle just means that this is where our solution is, right?
Okay.
Now, I'm going to shade to the right, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Now, if I shade to the right and I don't include this little number, I'm not shading that one in, that means that that little equal to sign is not right there. But because that little equal to sign is right there, that means I'm not only shading to the right, but I'm also shading the circle in.
Okay.
You get that?
Yeah.
Sound like a winner, man. Good job. Good job. All right, hold on. Let me see if I can get here. Bam. Now you have eyeballs, and see you looking to the. You're looking to the sky because the sky's the limit, man. The sky's the limit. Hey, good job.
All right.
Keep calling in.
All right.
Here we go.
Okay, we've got Naya from Atwell. Hi, Naya.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
How's it going?
Fine. How are you?
Good, thank you.
You all
Annette,
sound so happy at
Atwell, you all are very nice.
Yeah, you all are very nice.
Ow, my ear's hurting. Is that them or us?
That is them.
Okay. Okay, are you ready to
Yes.
work a problem? Of course she is. That's what she's calling.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Let's go.
Okay, Naya, it says translate each phrase into a mathematical term and graph its inequality. The distance is no less than 250 kilometers. The distance is no less than, okay?
Okay, here we go. Naya, if it says that the distance is no less than 250 kilometers, then that means it can be 50 kilometers or what?
Or greater.
Or greater. So which variable do you want to use for the distance?
Distance.
You want to
D.
use D. Okay, D is now, you just told me if it is no less than 250 kilometers, that means that I need to do what here? I need to have what type of symbol?
Or greater than.
A greater than symbol.
Or equal to.
Okay, can it be equal to? Okay, and then
Yes.
250, all right? Now, tell me this. What do you want to count by? Just say that this is our middle Right, just say that's our middle right there. What do you want to count by? Because we're trying to get to 250.
25.
You want to count by 50s, you said, or you said 100?
50.
If we get about 25s, I'll be here all day. Let's see. That's 50, 100. That's 150. That's 200. And then that's 250. Okay, and then that's negative 50. Negative 100. Okay, and go ahead and tell me what else I'm going to do to this graph.
Circle 250.
Circle 250. Okay.
Close circle.
Close circle because it has the equal sign. Excellent job. And I'm shading which direction?
Shade to the right.
Shade to the right. Shade to the right. Okay, guys. Woo! Good job. Good job. A quick rule of thumb while I am making this nice one-eyed jack. No. There you go. See, isn't that better? I'm getting better at this.
Yeah.
Okay, look. Real quick rule of thumb. Let me look at this. Look, guys. Is as long as the variable is on the left-hand side, this will work, okay? But make sure the variable is on the left-hand side. And this is not for just you, Nadia. This is for everyone that's paying attention. Listen, you look at this little symbol right here, and it'll tell you which way to shade. This symbol says shade this direction, all right? But that's only when the variable is on the left-hand side, all right? Keep that in mind. Excellent job. Excellent job. All right.
Good, Naya.
Very good.
Bye. Do we have another caller? Danielle from Carter. Hi, Danielle.
Hi.
How are you, Danielle?
I'm good.
Okay, who's your algebra teacher?
Mr. Samuel.
Mr. Samuel is your algebra teacher. What's your first name, Danielle?
David.
I'm sorry, the last name.
Skinner.
Oh, look, it's Skinner. This is one of my students.
Oh.
Okay, come on, Miss Skinner. Let's give you a problem.
You haven't learned your students' names yet?
No, I don't know any of my students by their first name.
Oh, you told me last time that you call them by their last name.
Miss Skinner, you sure have the giggles over there. Okay, here we go.
Who's laughing? Is it her?
That's Miss Skinner. Yes, she is.
Hi, Miss Skinner.
Hi.
Okay, here's the problem.
Skinner.
Okay.
Okay, let's pick a hard one since she's one of yours.
Okay, let's pick a hard one since she's one of mine. Since she's one of mine. She should know how to do this stuff. Let's give her this one right here.
Wow.
Okay, it says solve each inequality and graph. Okay, Andrew's salary is $1,200 a month or $1,200 a month plus a 4% commission on all his sales. What must the amount of his sales be to earn at least, is the key word, at least $1,600 each month?
Miss Skinner, I helped you so much in class, I'm not going to even help you with this problem.
Okay, you have to make an equation.
Okay.
And it's going to be, his salary, it'll be $1,200.
Okay, $1,200.
Plus
plus
4% of his sales. So
okay, so how would you write that? Okay.
0.04x.
0. Is it 0.4?
0.04x.
0.04x.
Yeah.
Excellent job. Okay, and then it says at least
$1,600 a month. So it has to be greater than or equal to.
Excellent job.
No
1,600.
one's helping her either in the background.
You can tell, huh? No one's
Good.
helping her.
Awesome.
Okay, so now here we go. We have to solve this problem to graph it.
So I would subtract 1,200 from both sides.
Excellent job. Okay. Okay, and then what?
0.04x is greater than or equal to 400.
400. Good job. Okay.
Divide both sides by 0.04.
Okay.
And x
is what? Greater than or equal to?
Greater than or equal to 10,000.
10,000. Good job. Okay, you are doing an excellent job. You better make a 100 on your next exam. Okay, real quick. What scale do you want to count by?
100s.
You want to count by
500.
thousands?
500.
You sure 500s?
1,000.
You're trying to take all day. Let's just say, okay, that's 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. See, we must count by 2,000.
Yeah.
2,000, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. Okay, and then over here that'll be 2. Okay, and then we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so now.
Yes, negative, Mr. Samuel.
Oh, negative. I'm sorry. Miss Skinner, I'm gonna get you in class. Now, go ahead.
So I would do a closed circle on 10,000.
Closed circle on 10,000.
And since the variable's on the left, it points in my direction, so I shade to the right.
To the right. Excellent job. You are on it. Let me get you. Let me see. There you are, Miss Skinner.
Thank you.
All right, Miss
She's
Skinner.
looking up.
Carter High School. You all keep calling. Look, she has a little mole. You all keep calling in.
All right, thank you.
All right, have a great day.
Bye.
All right.
Okay, I think I heard this name correctly. Alicia, maybe?
Yes.
Oh, did I say that right? Alicia. Ow.
Alicia. Sounds like a winner.
Ow. Okay, where are you calling from, sweetie?
Hillcrest.
Hillcrest. Oh, Hillcrest.
Okay.
Good.
Hillcrest is calling in. Hillcrest, we appreciate
Woohoo.
you. Yay. That's on that.
Okay,
Knock the tax out of the box.
how are you doing today?
Fine.
Okay.
We need to talk while he's deciding what problem.
Yeah, I mean, normally, I get a little help with that, what problem I'm going to pick, because typically I give her the problems, and she picks, and then I just do the next problem.
Okay.
But she's not doing that the same. No, I'm only joking. Okay, here we go. Let's
I'll
look at
help
the
you the
problem.
next one. You're making me look that. It's just me. Okay, here we go. It says the dimensions of a rectangle are x plus 2 and 3x minus 5. Which expression best represents the perimeter of the rectangle in the simplest form? Oh, I like these. I usually like to draw a picture or use the formula. So, what do you want to do, Valencia? Would you like to use the formula or draw a picture?
I remember this
I
problem
would like
from
the
Macy.
formula.
Okay, cool. So, what's the key word in our question then?
What's the key word?
Perimeter.
Good.
Perimeter. Okay, now what's the perimeter of a rectangle? What's the formula for a perimeter of a rectangle?
Length times width.
Okay, length times width.
Length.
It's perimeter equal.
What does perimeter mean, first of all? To do what?
Add all the sides.
Add all the sides. So how many lengths do you have then?
4.
How many lengths and how many widths?
Length.
Oh, 2.
Okay,
Yeah,
so it's
two
going to be
lengths.
2.
2L and then
Plus 2W.
There you go. You got it.
Excellent job.
Good.
Okay.
You need a formula chart. Good.
Now, here we go. We're going to say P is going to equal. Now, we can use either one of these for our lengths and either one of them for our widths because they just gave us the dimensions. They never said which one was the length and which one was the width, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. Let's plug in one for the length and one for the width. Which one do you want to do?
X plus 2.
Okay, so let's say 2 times what?
X plus 3.
Okay. And then that's going to be plus because my formula says plus 2, and then in parentheses
3x minus 5.
3x minus 5. Excellent job. Okay, now where do I go from there?
Do 2 times x.
P is going to equal 2 times x. Okay, and then 2 times, okay, we're doing the distributive property, so that's
2x
2x
4.
plus 4, okay, plus
6x
6x
minus
10. Excellent job. So now what do we have to do?
combine like terms.
Combine like terms. Excellent job. Okay, so we have 2x plus 6x, which gives me what?
8x.
8x. Okay, and then 4 minus 10 gives me
6. Negative 6.
Okay, so a minus 6. Okay, so what's my answer? C. Excellent job. Here we go. Here we go. And I know those bells are just ringing over there. They just. Hey! Good job. Good job. Miss Ayala was trying to find me a problem.
Do you want me to ring the bell, or would you like me to pick the next problem?
Thank you, Alicia.
Hi, woohoo.
Yo, Chris, keep calling me. We thank you for your calls. Okay?
Okay, was that Yvette?
Yeah.
Hi, Yvette.
Hi.
Oh, look at another perky
I know.
attitude.
If they're from Atwell, we know they're going to be sweet.
Aww.
Yeah.
Oh, that hurt my ear.
Okay, here we go. We are going to give you.
He didn't even pick the problem.
Oh, is this the one you chose?
Well, I want to see how she does.
Okay, let's see how you do. She wants to see how you done.
Have they done compound though?
How you does? I mean, how you do? Yes, we've dealt with compound. Have you all dealt with compound inequalities?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay.
Hold on. No.
Okay, then we
I
should.
can do it though.
Okay.
Oh, then go for it then. Here.
Okay.
What? Are you okay?
Yeah, I
Okay.
was looking for that. Okay. Here we go. Write the inequality that is represented by the graph. So here we go. What am I going to do with this? Let's look at it. I have a negative
-4.
-4. Okay, so how am I going to write this?
X is less than -4.
Let's just write it exactly like it is right here. Okay, so let's do this one first so that we can just work our way that way. Okay, so we're going to say, what is this? Negative what?
-17.
Okay, that's -17. Okay, now, what does this sign mean? That
Equal.
That it's going to be equal, okay, and then it's going this direction, which means that it's what?
Greater.
Greater than. But I'm going to do the greater than sign this way because I'm going to put my variable x in the middle, okay? So this is still saying greater than, it's going toward the x, all right? Now, over here, what is this saying? Do we have an equal to, or it's just what?
It's not equal to.
Okay, good.
It's not equal to, so I'm going back this direction, which means that it's what?
Less than.
Less than. So I'm just going to put less than, and you just told me that this is what?
-4.
-4. That's how you write it. Excellent job. Excellent job. Hold on. Let me see if I can get you. I'm talking about a nice.
Kiavana said, hey.
Hey, Kiavana. Oh.
What happened to his right eye?
And Naya and everybody else who talked earlier.
Tell everyone we said hello. Yeah.
Yay!
He's looking at your problem. He's looking at your problem like, oh my God, that was a hard problem.
His right. What's up with his right eye?
He's looking at the problem
got
because
squashed.
it's so hard. Okay, here we go. We have Jasmine
Jasmine.
from SOC.
Hi, Jasmine.
Hello.
Hi. Are you
How are
ready
you?
for a problem?
Okay, sounds like a winner. Let's go to Jasmine from SOC. And here is her problem.
She's got the giggles.
Yeah, of course we're going to help you. Not us. Look, you like, not you all on the television. I'm talking about the people in the room with me, so I won't sound crazy. Okay, baby, we're going to help you, and they're going to help you as well. Here we go. Miss Ayala is going to read the problem.
Good. Which of the following situations could have a y-intercept of 0? Letter A, Thomas has $30 in his pocket and is spending $6 per day. Or B, Camille earns $75 a day working in a restaurant. Letter C, Nikita charges $12 for supplies plus $10 per hour to clean gutters. Or is it D, an airplane is flying at an altitude of 45,000 feet and is descending at a rate of 500 feet per minute? Okay, so which one do you think would have the intercept of 0? Remember, your y-intercept is your initial starting point on your graph. So if you had to graph any of these situations, which one would have the y-intercept of 0?
Okay, let's look at them. Here we go. This first one said that Thomas has $30 and then he's spending $6 per day. So do we have an initial amount?
Jasmine, is there an initial amount? Did you start off with a certain amount of money?
Okay.
Okay,
So if we started off with an initial amount, we can X that one out. Okay. Let's look at Camille. It says Camille earns $75 a day working in a restaurant. Do we have an initial amount?
No.
No, we just told you about her, right?
So what's the answer?
This could be the answer. Let's just check the other ones just to be on the safe
before I get all
side.
excited.
Okay, here we go. C says Nikita charges $12 for supplies plus $10 per hour. Okay, did she have an initial amount?
$2.
She did. She didn't. If she charges $12 for supplies and then $10 per hour, that means she had an initial amount of $12. Okay, so that couldn't be our answer. And then this one says an airplane, if it's flying at an altitude of 45,000 feet first, and then it says it starts descending 500 feet per minute. So is there an initial amount there?
45.
Yeah, 45,000.
There
It
you
started
go.
at
So
45,000.
what's our answer?
So what's our answer again? Damn, good job. Let's put a. I bet you all don't know what this is. Ooh-wee. That's it right there. That is it.
Okay.
I am done with.
He's like lying down or what?
I mean, he's just resting on the right answer.
Okay. Woohoo!
Good job,
Good
man.
Jasmine.
Good job. All right,
Yay.
keep calling in, Sock. Sock has been doing an excellent job with calling in. It's that W.T. White and that Carter High School that we're waiting to call in.
W.T. White, you need to call.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I didn't get your name. What was that again?
Tanisha.
Tanisha.
I'm an Elwell.
Oh,
another sweetie pie.
That's a sweet spirit.
Oh, okay.
That's a sweet spirit. Okay, here we go. Oh, are you giving me this one? Did you put it in order?
Yeah,
Okay.
should be fine with that one.
Okay, here we go. Let's look at the problem.
Let's look at it.
Let's see what it says. What is it?
Okay, let's look at the problem.
Okay.
They never switched.
We're just going to say hey G for a second and then we'll eventually switch to the problem. We just want you all to know that we really appreciate all of you all for calling into the
They're falling
dudes.
asleep in the
Keep
back.
calling in. Okay.
Let's look at the problem.
All right, here
There
we
we go. Woohoo.
Okay.
Okay, it says translate each phrase into mathematical terms and graph the inequality. Okay, here we go. The price of a ticket is at most $190. The price of a ticket is at most $190. So think of a variable.
M. Huh?
M.
Oh, P.
P for the price? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now it says the price of the ticket is at most $190. At
So
most.
it'll be P less than 190.
Less than or
Great. Or equal to.
or equal to. It can be equal to 190. Okay, so here we go. Let's do this. Let's start at let's just say 0 is there. Let's do let's count by 50s. We'll say 50, 100, 150, 200, and then we'll come over here and say negative 50, negative 100, negative 150, and then negative 200. Okay, so now what I want you to do is I want you to tell me where on this number line does 190 fall.
Huh?
Where on the number line does 190 fall?
A little before 200.
A little before 200. Excellent job. So I'm going to put a dot or an open circle.
Open or closed circle, sweetie?
Open. Close.
Closed. Why is it closed? Tell me why it's closed. Tell me why it's closed. Why is it closed?
Equal to.
Because of the equal to. Excellent job. And then I'm going to show you which direction.
The left.
To the left. That's what that says. Excellent job. Now why am I
Thank
going
you.
out
Have a
with
nice
the-
day.
You do the exact same.
All right.
She's like, she totally cut us off. Thank you. Have a
Thank you,
nice day.
Have a nice
I don't need a smiley face.
day. Don't want one of those. Okay, here we go. Uh-oh.
Okay. Who is our next caller? Vicente?
Yes.
Okay, is that Vicente? Did I say it right?
Yes.
Okay. Hi, where are you calling from?
Hillcrest High School.
Wow, you guys
Alright.
are calling in. I'm proud of you all.
We appreciate you all. Okay,
You're
let's go to
welcome.
the problem.
Okay, Vicente Fernandez. Here we go. Are you okay, Mr. Samuel?
No, I was trying to hurry up and get them to go to the problem so I can
Okay, he might need some water. Okay, so translate each phrase into a mathematical term and graph the inequality. Okay, it says her driving time to school is not more than 30 minutes. Not more than 30 minutes. So what we need to do first, Vicente, is come up with a variable that you'd like to use.
T.
Okay. That's fine. T for time if we want to use that. Okay. No more than. What do you think no more than would be? It can be no more than 30 minutes.
Less than equal to.
Okay.
Okay, less than or equal to? Sounds good.
Good, Vicente. Less than or equal to what?
30.
30. Good. The time cannot be Has to be less than or equal to 30. Good. Okay, well, Mr. Samuel decided to put the 0 in the middle. Okay, so obviously we're not going to fit 30 little units there. So what do you want to count by?
By 5.
Sure, you can count by 5s, or what's even better, 10. Let's just do 10 so Mr. Samuel doesn't have to write so much.
Sounds like a winner.
Woohoo. Okay, that's good.
Okay,
so now what does he need to do next? If it's less than or equal to, where does he go now?
He goes to the positive.
Good, he goes to the positive.
Go to the far right.
To the far right, good. And then what does he need to put there?
Close.
Close,
circle.
good, because
Excellent
it's
job,
equal to. And which way would he have to shade? So T has to be less than or equal to 30.
Left.
To the left, good.
To the left. Excellent job.
And technically you'd stop at 0.
Go Hillcrest.
Okay. Go Hillcrest.
Go Hillcrest. All right, go ahead.
Yay. Thank you,
Yay,
Vicente.
Hillcrest.
Woohoo.
Okay.
Are you okay, Mr. Samuel?
Oh, I had an attack for a second here. Okay, we're going to go to our next caller. Okay.
Hi, we have somebody from South of Cliff.
Oh,
What's your name, sweetie?
Huh?
What's your name?
Oh, Rachel.
Washel? You said with a Y?
With an R? Rachel?
R.
R. Okay,
Rachel.
Rachel.
That's
Okay.
pretty.
That is nice. Okay, Rachel, you ready to work a problem? Let's go to work.
She's ready. Okay, Rochelle, it says, solve the inequality and graph. After selling 160 copies of the program to a school play, an usher had fewer than 40 copies left. How many copies of the program did the usher have originally? So,
Okay, now look at what it says. It says after selling. Selling means that we're going to be doing what? When you sell something, that means that you're going to be getting rid of them. What sign can we use for getting rid of them in math?
Minus.
Okay, so we're going to be subtracting 160, all right, from something. And then it says, of course, we're going to be subtracting it from the copy of programs at the school. So what variable can we be subtracting it from?
X.
Okay, we can use X. Okay, and it says an usher had fewer than 40 copies left. Okay, so fewer than means that I have what?
Less than.
Okay, less than, or no, it can't be equal to, because it just says what? Fewer than, which means that it's only less than what?
40 copies.
40.
good.
40 copies. Excellent job. Now, how do I solve this?
Stop for X.
Okay.
You're going to add 160.
160 to both sides. Excellent job. Let me see if I can make that a little bigger. Okay, these two cancel out. I'm left with X is what?
200.
Is what 200?
Oh. Negative 200.
Mm-mm.
Oh, less than.
Less than 200, okay? Less than 200. Okay, a lot of students just put equal right here because you all are so accustomed to just writing equal. But make sure you keep the same sign, all right? So now, here we go. Or the same symbol, actually. All right, here we go. What do you want me to count by? Please say something very big.
50.
Count by 50. Sounds good. 50, 100. 50, 150, 200. Okay? Over here we'll have negative 50, negative 100, negative 150, negative 200. Okay, now from there, what am I going to, where am I going to put my open or closed circle?
On 200.
What am I going to put there?
A circle.
A circle. An open circle or closed circle?
Open.
Open circle. Okay, which way am I shading?
To the left.
To the left. All right. Excellent job, dear. Excellent job. And technically, I'm supposed to stop at 0 because you can't have less
Negative
than.
copies.
Yeah, you can't have negative copies. All right. Excellent job. Excellent job. South Oak Cliff, we appreciate you all as well. You are
Thank you, Rochelle.
been very dedicated to the show. We appreciate you. All right,
Woo-hoo.
here we go.
Do we have another caller? Hillcrest is doing good.
Hillcrest is doing wonderful.
Okay. And your name is?
Valencia. Valencia.
Alencia. Yes?
Valencia.
Alencia.
Okay,
Okay.
here we go.
Here we go. Alencia, it says an air-conditioned repairman worked on Mrs. Smith's air conditioner to repair the unit. He charged her $455 for parts and labor. The parts for the repair cost $315. The repairman's rate per hour was $45. How many hours did it take them to repair the air conditioned unit?
Okay.
What a great problem, Mr. Samuel.
Here we go. Let's go to work. What do I need to do first, Alentia?
Make an equation.
Good.
Okay, let's make an equation.
315
315
plus 45 per hour.
Okay. Per hour, what do you want to use for?
T.
You want to use
Or H.
H, okay. Equals
455.
455. Excellent job, okay. Now, from there, what do I have to do to solve this?
Subtract 315.
Minus 315.
From 455.
Minus 315, okay. Okay, these two cancel out, leaving me with what?
140.
45
H
equals
140.
140. Okay. And then what do I have to do?
Divide 45 by each side.
Okay. Divide 45 by both sides. Okay. And what do I get? H equal?
Yeah. 3.1.
3.1. Okay, so 3.1 hours. Excellent job. Excellent job. I want to quiz you real fast. I want to see if you know what to do. Okay, just say I had this on the number line, 0, and this is negative. Let's see, negative 3.1, and this is positive 3.1. All right. What would what kind of circle do you think I would put here, and which way would I shade?
An open circle.
I would put an open circle. Now remember, anytime you have a what equal to, you're supposed to put a what?
A closed.
Closed circle. And then which way am I shading? Does this say shade in any direction?
No.
You don't shade either direction. Excellent job. I just wanted to
trick her.
Quiz you real fast on that. But that's good. That's good. Excellent job there. Excellent job.
Good. Good job.
Okay, Hillcrest,
awesome.
keep calling in. All right.
Okay. I think we have a caller from South Oak Cliff.
We have another caller from South Oak.
Yes.
South
Who's
Oak
this?
Cliff.
Who's on the phone?
Hello?
Hi, what's your name?
K-Walk.
K-Wall?
Look, Kadarian.
Okay. Or Kadarian?
Kadarius, right?
Kadarian with an E.
With an N?
Kadarian.
Yes, sir.
Kadarian.
Or K-Wall.
Or K-Wall. Your last name is Wall? Your last name is Wall, so people
Wall
call
as
you
in
K-Wall?
the wall behind
No,
us?
K-Walk.
Okay,
K-Wall.
okay.
All right,
K-Wall's easier for us.
All right, here we go. Let's look at the problem.
K-Wall.
All I want you to do is to set up an inequality. So let's see.
Our lines are open, guys. Start calling in.
Go to work.
Okay, it says write the inequality that is represented by the graph. So now Mr. Samuel is giving you the graph and he wants the inequality. So pick a letter, any letter. What letter would you like?
We're going to start with an X.
Let's start with an X.
Okay, cool.
Okay. X is what?
Now, yeah.
Because I'm shading for, well, let's look at the circle first. What type of circle do I have? Is this open or closed?
Closed circle.
Good.
Closed circle. So that means I'm going to have a what?
A greater than.
I'm going to have, well,
Equal.
I'm going to have
Yeah.
a greater than, but this is an equal, okay? And then because I'm shading to the right, that means it's going to be greater than. Good job. Okay, now, where am I starting from? Or what number do I need to put right here?
Negative 8.
Negative 8. Excellent job, man. Excellent job. Good job. Let me get you.
Let's give him another one. That was too easy.
Yeah. Gotta give you another one. Can't just let you.
Whoa.
leave with that. Okay, can't just let you leave with something like that. Okay, go to work.
Okay. That's a lot of reading.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, well, it says, Tasha saw a newspaper advertisement for a company. The advertisement had a table that compared minutes used and the cost of the call. So on the table it says if you use 10 minutes, it costs $6, 15 minutes, $6.25, so on and so forth. If Tasha used the company for her long distance service, how much would she pay for a 22-minute phone call? Okay?
Okay, give me the most I put in my calculator.
Okay, so you're going to do it in calculator. Well, we'll do it in our calculator too. So
okay, what are you going to go under?
Here we go. I'm gonna actually zoom in just a second, but I want you all to. I want to make sure I keep the numbers so everybody can see exactly what numbers we're using. Well, I won't be able to keep the numbers.
See the information.
Okay, I'm on.
Yeah, you're supposed to. You didn't memorize it.
Okay, here we go. Can you see it now?
Just copy what Mr. Samuel's going to put.
Okay. Okay. You ready?
We can see the calculator. We can't see the information.
Okay, don't worry about it. I'm gonna give you the information once you tell me where to go. Okay. Let me clear out of this, and then I am at the front screen. Okay. Now, where do I go if I want to put in a table?
We're not gonna work it that way.
Huh?
We ain't gonna work it that way.
Oh, we're not gonna put it in the calculator.
Yeah, we're gonna put it in the calculator. We're just not gonna work it that way.
Okay. How are you going to put it in the calculator?
So we put it in our calculator.
Exactly. I want you to tell me what you're going to put it. Where you're going to put it?
We're going to stat fly.
There, okay, that's what we want to hear.
That's what I wanted to hear. Okay. Now I'm here. Now where do I go?
Edit.
Good.
Okay. So I can either hit 1 or I can hit enter. Okay. Now from there, the information is the first numbers are
10, 15, and 20.
Okay, and some teachers hate to tell their students to do it this way, but this is going to be a little bit easier for me.
Okay, 10, 15, and 20 is the minutes used under L1, which is your X variable. And the cost of the call is going to be for 10 minutes, it's $6. For 15 minutes, it's $6.25. And for 20 minutes, it's $6.50.
Okay.
You got that?
Mm-hmm.
Now, where do I go?
Stat.
Go back to stat. Okay.
Calculate.
Okay, I'm going to arrow over here to calculate. So when I go to calculate, now what do I do?
Linear regression.
Okay, I'm going to go down to linear regression, number 4. Or I can either go arrow down to it, or I can just push to number 4. Okay. Now, what am I going to do from here?
Hit enter.
Hit enter. I need to do something else. Don't I need to put in my L1? Just hit enter?
You just put,
Okay. Let me just get enter then. Enter. Okay, and it gave me my equation. Now, good job. Now, what do I do with this equation?
Y equals 0.58.
Okay.
Plus 5.5.
Where does he need to put that then?
Good job. Let me go. Let me zoom back out now. And now that I have my equation, I can write it in. Y equals 0.05x plus 550. Okay.
We wanted to know for 22 minutes though. How do we do that?
For 22 minutes, what do I have to do?
X equals 22.
Okay, so that means that my x equals 22. Good job.
That's good.
So if my x equals 22, then I need to say y is going to equal what?
6.6.
Hold on, tell me what I want to do it the slow way. I need everyone that's watching the show to see what you're doing. So from here, what do I need to do with this x right here? I need to take this x and do it.
Okay, there you go.
Plug it in right there. Okay, so here we go. We're going to have 0.05 times 22. Okay, plus 550. All right,
good.
And then good job. Now my next step is to say y is going to equal what? This is what, $1.10. $1.10. Okay, plus 550. Okay, which y is going to equal what? What is that? 6.60. Okay, so $6.60. Excellent job, man. This is a wonderful job.
You didn't let me finish it up in the calculator.
Okay, let me finish it up in calculator then. Let's go back to the calculator and finish it up. Bam, I'm right here. What do I do?
We're gonna paste it.
Okay, you want to paste it, so you want to go to bars? Okay, let's go to bars. Okay, and then y bars. I arrowed over to get to y bars.
You gotta go to y equals first.
Okay, let's go to...
Yeah,
No, I will paste it in... Okay.
Yes, you have to go to y equals first.
Y equals then go to bars.
Oh, you mean to just make sure it's clear right there?
Uh-huh.
Okay, to just make sure it's clear.
Okay. Stay there.
Okay. Oh, go to wire equal and stay
then
here.
go to var.
And then go to var.
Now hit var.
And go to what number?
5.
5, good.
5. Okay.
Go to equation.
Go to equation, good.
Okay. I don't do it this way.
And hit enter.
That's how I do it.
Okay.
And
then
press
hit
enter, and there it goes.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Let me tell you how I do it. Let me click this real fast.
Now we're gonna check it in the table.
Okay, I'm not gonna. Okay, now I'm gonna check it in the table.
Hit second.
Okay, and then
we wanted to know for 22.
Go down to 22, it's gonna be 6.6.
Okay, so if I go down to 22, then it's gonna be 6.6. Okay, good job. Now, I don't want to confuse my students because I taught my students another way. Okay, so my students, please don't look at that because I've actually taught them how to do this. You'll hit vars and then go over to y vars. You go to function and hit L1, and then it'll do the exact same thing. It pastes it here, and then you can do the same thing. But I don't want my students to get confused because they'll look at that and be like, "Mr. Samuel, what are you talking about?" Okay. All right, but excellent job, though. Excellent job.
Or you can just write it down on your paper and type it in
and
yourself.
type it in yourself, whichever way.
That's a lot of steps to memorize. Okay. Thank you for calling.
Thank you. Okay.
Awesome.
Good job. Saco Cliff did an excellent job. That was a caller that was trying to get into us, and we didn't get a chance. I don't know her name. Her name is Sarah.
Sarah. We're sorry, Sarah.
Sorry, Sarah. We weren't able
to
get
Thanks for calling
to
anyways.
you. Please call in so we can get to you next week. All right. Okay, I'm sorry, not next week because of course that's
we have Martin Luther King. Yes.
Holiday.
We have a 4-day weekend.
Here we go. That's just about all the time we have. But before we leave, what do we have to do?
What do we have to do? We want to give away a solitaire pag, pag 4, and the glitter magic markers. Woohoo!
Today's winner is caller number 8. That is Alencia from Hillcrest. Congratulations! Yay!
They were calling a lot today.
Yeah.
So was
excellent job here, Hillcrest.
Hillcrest.
And no, I was thinking about South Oak Cliff and at Mill.
I know, y'all did
and
awesome.
Another school called in, Carter and W.T. White.
Well, yeah,
but I mean, and then there was another school. I don't want to forget anyone.
South Oak Cliff.
And
at Will, Carter, Hillcrest.
Okay. Everybody,
White.
Thank you
of
the
much.
callers.
And the teachers, thank you also. Okay, we will, thank you very much. We will get your prize delivered to you soon. Personally for Mr. Samuel.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding, I don't even know. Remember, we would love to see you. You guys mail in your pictures. We would love to show them.
We don't just read this just to be reading it, guys. Mail in your pictures to us.
Yeah, so we can know if Malcolm calls, we can have a face here, voice.
Yep, we will put your face right here.
Okay, so don't forget to bring your pictures to your teacher so she can send them to us, or he can send them to us, and he can mail it or email us at Algebra Dudes at DallasISD.org, or you can send them through our interdepartmental mail to DSTV Box 379. Mail them in, guys. Come on.
Okay, guys. Thank you for joining us today. We do not expect you to have an understanding coming on, but we definitely expect you to have an understanding going on. Okay, guys, we will not see you next week. We'll see you here 2 weeks from now, all right? Have a great week and a wonderful vacation.
Be good. Bye. Be careful. Are we still on the air?
I don't think so.